Hello everyone, today we are going to the next problem set, that is file extension. Okay, so now let us read cats.py, cats.gif, cats.jpg, cats.jpeg. Okay, now I'm getting this thing. If it ends with GIF, then it says image/GIF. If ends with JPG, it is outputting this for this. Okay, if nothing is given, application/octet stream. Okay, now it is clear pretty much to me. Okay, so till here it was the overview how this extension works. See this for common types. In a file called extension.py, implement a program that prompts the user for the name of the file. Okay, prompting the user for name of the file, and then output the file's media type. Okay, we were seeing it in the below part. If the file's name ends case insensitively in any of these suffix. Okay, so it can be capital GIF or small gif or capital G small if. Whatever may be the case, it has to be considered to be case insensitive. These are the 5 conditions that I am supposed to check. If nothing happens, application.octet stream. Okay, it is very I would say easy. Text input, and what do I am supposed to file name, and I am going to strip it because white spaces can be possible. Now my first condition would be if they gave us some conditions. If we are going to use dot lower to, because I have to consider all of them as case insensitive. Dot gif, if this in text, then what you are going to do, print something. Elif jpg. Let me fast forward this video so that you do not end up wasting your time. So I wrote every single condition that was given to me. Let us see if the user type any of these condition, my output will be similar to that. For GIF, it is GIF, JPG, JPG, JPEG, JPEG, and then so on and so forth. And if nothing happens, the output will be application/octet stream. It is written over there. Let us see if JPG, it is JPEG. Let me change this JPEG. Okay, so I am not gonna check one by one. So in place of that, I'll directly use this check50. Okay, if the user gave us a PDF, then the output should be application slash where is my PDF one, this, not image, it has to be application. And another gave us the text format, text.plain, text/plain, not text/text. Okay, in place of text it should be /plain. Where is the text? It has to be plain, and it ends with zip application. Okay, PDF. In place of PDF, yeah, we just changed it. Let us run this check50 again. Okay, there is only one error left in our code, that is plain.text eats the output of text slash plain image plain. Okay, I don't understand, man. Image, okay, it has to be text slash plain. Now I'm supposing my code has to be correct now. Voila, now my code is perfectly correct. Now you can just save, just submit this code by submit 50. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.